Tired of fighting Unity's default character controller every time you need smooth slopes or precise movement? This free kinematic powerhouse gives you full control, no rigid body headaches. It uses a collide and slide algorithm for perfectly fluid motion, handles complex surfaces like stairs and ramps, and ships with clean, readable code that is a fantastic learning resource. You can build anything from a first-person shooter to a platformer on this rock-solid foundation. Don't expect plug and play though. You will need to script your own sprint or crouch, but that also means zero bloat. The modular architecture lets you add exactly what you need, and the included demo scenes get you started in minutes. With 183 reviews averaging almost 5 stars, the dev community calls this the gold standard for custom character movement. Users rave about its physics stability and extensibility. It does have a steeper learning curve, and you may need to patch a few bugs for newer Unity versions, but the knowledge you gain pays off long term. At $0, this is a complete no-brainer. That works out to 0 cents per game template. You would pay hundreds elsewhere for less control. Grab it today on mightyassetdeals.com. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Need a pixel art hero for your next platformer or RPG? This night comes packed with fluid animations and a full demo scene, completely free. Over 100 hand-drawn frames covering idle, run, attack combos, roll, wall slide, ledge grab, and more, all fully rigged with scripts so you can drop it into a 2D project and have a controllable character in minutes. The included color swap shader lets you create endless palette variations. The demo scene includes a complete tile set environment, so you can immediately test movement and combat. The code is structured clearly, making it great for learning or as a base for your own mechanics. Rated 4.93 from 75 reviews, users consistently praise the animation quality and incredible value for a free asset. Many say it exceeds paid alternatives. Some physics edge cases like sloped colliders can cause minor glitches with the roll, and the animation lists are not the most organized, but a quick script refactor sorts it out. For absolutely nothing, you get a production-ready hero character. That saves you at least 40 hours of pixel art creation. Grab it for your weekend project on mightyassetdeals.com. Building a multiplayer game? Stop wrestling with clunky networking libraries. FishNet gives you a modern, high-performance framework that just works. It handles server authoritative movement, client-side prediction, lag compensation, and even nested network objects out of the box. The API is intuitive and allocation-free, so your netcode stays clean and fast. Plus, it supports Unity 2021 through Unity 6. Start for free and scale up. FishNet is open source with an active Discord community that helps you through tricky implementation. Setting up a basic multiplayer scene takes minutes, and the built-in examples cover common patterns like physics sync and object spawning. With 215 reviews averaging 4.88 stars, FishNet beats alternatives like Mirror and Unity's netcode on performance and ease of use. Developers love the active support and rapid updates. Documentation can be thin on advanced topics, so you will rely on community examples in Discord for deeper questions. Plan a little extra time for complex features. At $0, this is the best networking investment you will make. Compared to paid solutions that cost hundreds, FishNet does more for free. Grab it now on mightyassetdeals.com. Your Unity terrains look flat and blurry? MicroSplat is a free core that replaces the default shader with a high-performance, visually stunning terrain system. Supports up to 32 textures per terrain, in a single pass with automatic generation of normals, height maps, and ambient occlusion. It is significantly faster than any other terrain shader on the asset store, and the modular add-ons let you add tessellation or anti-tiling later. Installation is one click. Replace your terrain's material, hit a button, and instantly see improved blending and detail. The core is free and gives you professional-grade terrain visuals with zero extra work. Over 149 reviews and a 4.87 rating, MicroSplat is considered an industry standard. Users call it essential for any game with terrains. Uninstalling is tricky and can break terrains if you're not careful, and URP or HDRP require separate paid adapters. Only add this at project start. It is completely free for the core, that is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, but delivers hundreds of hours of saved artistic labor. Download it on mightyassetdeals.com. Do not let a basic menu tank your game's first impression. This 3D modern UI template gives you a polished, animated main menu in minutes. Full 3D world space menus with button animations, panel transitions, a working settings screen with key bindings, and a loading bar, all built with native UGUI and Text Mesh Pro. The theme editor lets you recolor everything quickly. Drag and drop prefabs, 2 sample scenes for desktop and mobile, and clean code with tooltips. You can have a professional main menu running in under an hour. Rated 4.49 from 89 reviews, users love the modern aesthetic and how much time it saves. Many say it looks better than paid templates. It does not support the new input system out of the box, and the settings screen is an animated placeholder. You will need to wire up actual functionality. But for a free menu base, it is fantastic. For $0, you skip days of UI design and coding. If even one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Get it on mightyassetdeals.com. Sick of GC spikes from legacy tweening libraries? PrimeTween is a zero-allocation, high-performance animation system that is completely free. Animate any float, vector, color, or quaternion property with one line of code, no memory allocations ever. It supports async and await, sequences, and inspector integration for tweaking animations visually. Drop-in replacement for .ween with a cleaner API. It is lightweight, tested with 250+ automated tests, and works from Unity 2018 to Unity 6. You can even animate UI Toolkit. With 132 reviews and a perfect 5.0 rating, PrimeTween is called the future of Unity animation. Users applaud its performance and ergonomics. Heavy method overloads can slow down IDE IntelliSense, and there is no native cancellation token support yet. But for most animation needs, it is flawless. Free and zero allocation. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. PrimeTween saves you hours of manual animation code. Grab it on mightyassetdeals.com. Want to add fire, explosions, and magic effects to your URP project? This free VFX pack gives you a collection of high-impact particle effects ready to drop in. Includes multiple fire variants, smoke, sparks, and explosion prefabs, all optimized for URP. The effects are built with the built-in particle system and customizable shaders, so you can adjust colors, size, and intensity. Each effect comes with a demo scene and pre-configured settings. Just drag and play. The modular nature lets you combine effects for unique results, perfect for prototyping or adding polish. With a perfect 5.0 rating from 31 reviews, users love the quality and ease of use. Many call it an essential free pack for any VFX-heavy game. The particle textures are fairly low resolution, and you may want to replace them with custom art for final production. But for getting started, it is impressive. At $0, that works out to 0 cents per effect. You would pay $20 for a single custom explosion from a freelancer. Snag it on mightyassetdeals.com. Need a city for your open world or simulation game? This free modular city package gives you 45 buildings, and 189 props to populate your streets. Each building has preset colliders, day and night window variants, and is performance-friendly with low draw calls. Props include street furniture, vehicles, and environment details. Everything you need for a believable urban scene. Drag and drop to assemble blocks, thanks to modular design. The prefabs are real size, so scaling is automatic. Perfect for rapid prototyping or as a base for a larger map. Rated 4.68 from 62 reviews, users highlight the incredible value for a free pack and the time it saves in city creation. No native URP or HDRP support. You will get pink materials on import and must run the render pipeline converter manually. Also, commercial license terms are not clearly stated, so clarify before shipping. For $5, you skip 40 hours of hand modeling. Wait, it is free. You skip 40 hours for nothing. That is the best ROI ever. Download on mightyassetdeals.com. Need a quick placeholder character for animations or ragdoll testing? This free human dummy is clean, simple, and rigged. Comes with a basic humanoid mesh, ready to accept any animation from Unity's Mechanim system. The skeleton is standard, so you can drop in any humanoid animation clips or use it as a physics dummy. Low poly count, no textures required. It is designed for rapid iteration. Insert it into any scene for scale reference or animation preview without performance hit. With 27 reviews, all at 5 stars, users appreciate its simplicity and reliability. It is exactly what it says, a dummy that works. It has no custom animations or materials, so it is purely a placeholder. You will need to add your own textures or shaders if you want it visible beyond a gray model. It costs nothing. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. This is the perfect free testing buddy. Grab it on mightyassetdeals.com. Building a fantasy world? This free landscape pack delivers stunning hand-painted trees, houses, and terrain details that look amazing on mobile too. 15 tree types, 30 terrain detail objects like flowers, mushrooms, ferns, and 3 houses, all with hand-painted textures and optimized poly counts. Trees use a nature/tree soft occlusion shader for realistic wind bending. Everything is prefabbed with proper colliders and ready to place. The grass meshes use Vertex Alpha for wind animation, and an Atlas texture keeps draw calls low, ideal for first-person or top-down fantasy games. Rated 4.73 from 86 reviews, users rave about the artistic quality and mobile performance. Many call it the best free landscape asset. URP compatibility is broken on import. Materials often appear pink or invisible until you manually convert them. Expect to spend time fixing shaders. It is free, less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, but delivers AAA fantasy environments. Snag it today on mightyassetdeals.com. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.